You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A name from French. Yes, I know it's a wine brand as well in the US. If you want to learn more wine names, absolutely stay tuned here, because I'm a wine expert and I'm French. In French, it'd be said as Clos du Bois. Clos du Bois, so a clos is like a walled vineyard. Du Bois means of the wood, so it's just a name really. Clos du Bois. Now in English, Clos du Bois. Yes, because it's French, the S's are silent. Clos du Bois Cabernet, Clos du Bois Chardonnay, Merlot, Pinot Noir. Enjoy. Cheers. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.